Good afternoon, everybody. Sorry about that. I was uploading a video. Things were taking forever. It wasn't working right. But we are here, and we are ready to go. Late Moji, I agree with you on that, but better late than never, man. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T. Boom, first in the chat, baby. We got Matt. How you doing, man? First like, I like it. Tim, how you doing? Good afternoon, everybody. Tim, did you send anything, man? Do I need to go to the post office today, tomorrow? What's it gonna be? Let's see here. Matt, Dark Bro, Tim, Emoji, J-Bones. I'm gonna be standing up this live. I'm still squealing from the feet. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm gonna tell you right now that the SEC is making me mad. Who's a fake me? Pudgy, if it wasn't you, man, there was definitely a fake you in here earlier. Good afternoon to you, Matt, and Pudgy as well. You know what? Let me double check to see. Maybe they still left their name the same way. I forget what that name was. Let's see if we can figure it out. If it's still there. Settings, yes. And then community, yes. Well, dude, if they changed their name, they already changed their name back. Unless it was you, Pudgy, that did it. That's what we got, man. No weird names out there right now. So if it was you, if it wasn't you, I have no idea who it was. Let's see what we've got here. Boom, boom, boom. Shake the room. Crypto Rocketeer with a dab on him. Yes. Peter, how you doing? 4 a.m. here. So not sure. I'll still be awake by the end of the video. Peter, if you're not awake, it's all right. We got to pick Pudgy with a wrench. Yes, it was me. It was Pudgy, ladies and gentlemen. He said, I'm tricking you. Hey, Pudgy, did you get your shirt? I don't know if you posted in the Discord anywhere, but I think you might be the only one that I haven't heard from that did or did not get their shirt yet, and I just want to check it. You're about to get yourself blocked. Boom. Bro, I'm having an issue with the butcher. I will absolutely let you know before I get your bacon in the mail. Perfect. Send it. Completely not concerned about it not coming or anything like that. I just don't want to leave it down at the post office, so give me a heads up when I got to get down there and pick it up. They usually close. I just got to go in between live streams, so just let me know when I got to go get it. My daughter was so happy. Very nice, Pudgy. I like it, man. Glad you got that stuff, and just wanted to check to make sure that I didn't need to send out another one so that you guys have even more. Little market recap, guys. AMC finished the day 1.65% higher. The close was $4.62.5. Shiba Inu coin. Oh my gosh, things are getting dangerous here, guys. Shiba Inu coin might be bouncing back a little bit, but it is testing some dangerous lows. Shiba Inu coin 7 amidst, I believe, June of 2022 may have been following a lot of the FTX nonsense. Might be wrong on the date exactly, but I believe June 7 of 2022 there was like the FTX nonsense. Could have been following the Terra Luna Classic nonsense and all of that. So June of 2022, you know what, that might have been, I don't even know what the date was. That's either following Terra Luna Classic or that's following FTX. But we have not seen these levels in a very long time. And if this is broken, guys, I really don't know where Shiba Inu coin is going to go. I mean, this red line is so significant. It's 700-800 points per coin. The Shiba Inu coin is barely hanging on at these levels. And this is what we were testing when Bitcoin was at 15,000. Now we're testing it, and Bitcoin's got room to fall another 10,000 in about 3 months now. So Bitcoin looking to test 25,000. Of course, you know, Bitcoin doing very well amidst all of the banks collapsing. Now everybody forgets that the financial system here in the United States is nothing but a pyramid scheme. And of course, Bitcoin elevated because of that and might be coming back down now. The overall market finished at about break even today. A little bit of a doji candle at this 13,300 level of resistance we've got. Unable to break through it on the day today, but nonetheless, today was a pretty wild day in stocks and cryptocurrency with the SEC pretty much, admitting to the world that they are fools. Dogecoin falling heavy. Dogecoin sitting at 666 right now. Watch out for Dogecoin, guys. Not a nice price there. Ethereum, $1,800. Shiba Inu coin, $7.95. Bitcoin, $25,650. Mullen Auto down to 69 cents. Sundial, $1.45. The SPY sitting at 427.08, down 20% on the day. BBIG, $2.28, lost 1%. Highcraft Mining sitting at 33.8 cents. Netflix, 403.54. QQQ, 354 per share. We've got APE sitting at $1.58. MPW, $8.52. Tesla having a nice day today, closing up 1.70% higher at $217. And Novix, man, getting hit hard. J-Bones falling back down to $13 there. PID sitting at $17.88, and Joby doing nice to end 5.27% higher today. Very interesting stocks, guys, but cryptocurrency market not liking the fact that Binance US, and CZ are all getting sued now because the SEC doesn't have any integrity, I guess. That is what we got going on there. Did you get my Western Union? Check your request into the comments. Glad to open the crypto account for me. Pat. No, I did not get that. Don't send it again, and please don't send anything to any Clay Bro unless it's a super chat, which you can do that if you want, man. Send me a super chat or send it directly through Streamlabs if you would like, but don't send me anything over Western Union. 8-ball question. Will Shib hit 500 before it hits 1,000? My answer is very well likely that could be the case. My answer is actually yes, if the SEC and Binance doesn't happen. But let's see what the 8-ball says. Will Shiba Inu coin hit 500 before 1,000? Now, very doubtful. The 8-ball is a little bit more optimistic than I am. The 8-ball says very doubtful that Shiba Inu coin is going to touch 500 before it touches 1,000. SEC accuses Binance of lying. Yeah, man. Yeah. Binance. Binance is the liar in that situation, right? The SEC just claiming that anything and everything is a security now. Crypto.com. Dude, I don't know if Crypto.com is bribing the SEC or what. I have no idea how they are like side skirting all of these allegations right now, but Kronos or Crypto.com coin. I know you guys like it. I like it too. It is no different than BNB. Okay, it's only a matter of time before the SEC comes after Crypto.com, unless of course they're receiving checks from the guys over at Crypto.com, or using Crypto.com to launder money or something. It's only a matter of time before Crypto.com gets hit and Kronos goes back down to a penny. So watch out for that, please. CZ, the only Chinese guy the government doesn't try. Oh God. Yeah, dude, and the bad thing about that is that means he's got to be trustworthy. Oh my goodness. If he's the only one the US government doesn't trust, he's got to be the only one that we can trust. Government is so benevolent. I love them. They take after us. They love us. They have our best interest in mind. They protect us. They love us. Chad, way to keep my channel monetized, man. I appreciate that. For every negative thing I say or think, I must read a positive one so that even if you guys are being sarcastic, the beautiful thing about AI and the beautiful thing about YouTube is that they cannot sense sarcasm. Typically, it's much harder if it's written, but typically, when things are so crazy, like what you just said there, it's easy for a human being to sense the level of sarcasm. So please, for the love of monetization on the YouTube channel, be as sarcastic as you guys would like, so YouTube thinks and knows that we are compliant with anything and everything that the US government does, and that we love all of the regulation by enforcement that they're bringing to the cryptocurrency space right now. 8-ball is owned by the SEC. Yeah, the 8-ball may have taken a bribe or two, man. Okay, Clay, it was a dud anyway. No bother. Thanks. Good deal, Pat. I really hope you did not send anything to anybody on Western Union, man. I really hope you did not. Oh, go get them, Gary. Go after the scammers. Chad, keeping me monetized. I like it, man. The 8 ball's messed it up. The 8 ball is messed up, man. SEC won't let me be like cryptocurrency, dude. The crypto, I don't even know. I was trying to pull a Eminem there, but it didn't work out, man. I don't have those kind of skills. 6RP lawsuit really going to finish this month? KPEX, that's actually a very interesting question to bring up today. Let me put it this way. If the SEC, if the Ripple lawsuit ends this month, I find no possibility that it ends in favor of Ripple. Why? With the SEC coming after Binance today and alleging that all of these tokens are now securities and BNB and BUSD are securities. This is the exact same lawsuit that they're litigating with Ripple. If the judge decides in favor of Ripple and against the SEC, I believe it's going to be an open and shut case for Binance. It's just going to be that, the legal precedent set by Ripple and XRP is going to make it an open and shut case for the judge in the Binance and SEC case. And they're, of course, going to be more likely to decide in favor or the SEC winning the Ripple case and continuing on with their suit against Binance. It's just, I do not see how they would allow Ripple to win knowing they just filed suit against Binance. They wouldn't stand a chance. They wouldn't stand a chance against Binance if they can't beat Ripple. Shiba will drop to 6. Possibly keeps going this. Yeah, Slayer J. Sorry. Sorry about that. Shiba Inu coin will most likely drop down into the 6s if it keeps going this way. And I don't doubt that it will right now. Okay? I am bullish. I am bearish. I am bullish. I am bearish. I move along over, like, long term, I am bullish, okay? Even if we drop down, like, Bitcoin to $1,000, I'm still bullish long term on crypto. I truly believe that the United States can destroy themselves. I truly believe, like our great-great-great-grandfathers who had to leave their nations and come to the U.S. for prosperity and freedom and so on, I don't doubt that that's not something that can't happen here in the United States, and we become so tyrannical that people have to leave once again, and this nation falls and another rises. I really don't think that that's an impossibility. Talking to the people, talk to the Romans, man. Talk to the Romans. Talk to, wherever Alexander the Great was. Talk to these guys who have been a part of world superpowers. And because of greed and all of these things, pride, these nations fall. That could be no different here in the United States. If that happens, okay, and if we destroy ourselves, and Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these stocks and everything comes down closer to zero, I'm still bullish long term because blockchain technology it truly is phenomenal, man. So I move with the market. Right? And right now, the market's taking a very hard hit today because of the regulatory concerns and the SEC is acting so dumb. So yeah, I'm sharing what I'm doing. I'm really good at buying high and selling low. I'm buying Shiba Inu now. Everyone, please do the opposite of me. You are guaranteed to make money. Yeah, John J, man, here's the thing. Me too, but some of the best investments or some of the best, I guess, approaches to investments are truly what you think is just going to grow over the long term. I don't know if allergies are messing with my throat or making me cough or what, but over the long term, right? And in Shiba Inu coin, it may not fare very well because of the SEC and all of these different concerns. But dude, blockchain technology is something that cannot be destroyed, man. It cannot be destroyed. You cannot shut down decentralization. The 8 ball labeled the SEC, or the SEC labeled the 8 ball as a security. Dark, bro. They better not, man. Kumu, body lighting up. Shasta tonight. I have no idea what that means. Old man advice. The longer the jury is out, the better it is for the defendant. I think that must be good. KPEX, is Zen a hidden gem? Zen analysis. KPEX, let's check out Zen right now. We're going to come over here to CoinMarketCap. and look at Zen Crypto. Zen is not one that's on my radar. It's not one that I own, but Zen has a small little $16 million market cap, and it's doing $5 million in volume today. Not bad at all. It's down 4.46%, but let's look at the long term here. This is a very tough graph to see. Came out at the end of 2022 and immediately tanked down, okay? The bad part is I do not know why Zen fell so far. We got a market cap, price says zero. I do think that if this is something that is still being worked on, any cryptocurrency project with only a $16 million market cap could be a gem, yes. I like that it has been audited, okay? Zen's been audited here, and it's got a very nice security score. That's good as well. So these are a lot of the things that you need to look at, but just by looking at the graph and without knowing anything about Zen, you know, I don't know if these guys are still working on it, if they're still extremely active, if they just got destroyed in the bear market, if this is because, you know, they drastically diluted after being listed. I don't know what this decline is for. What I do know is any project that continues to build, when the bull market comes back, $16 million market caps can easily turn into billion-dollar market caps if that crypto is, you know, setting themselves up for the future. So, unfortunately, the graph looks terrible right now because it did have such a decline, but fortunately, that does lead to potential if they are continuing to build. What price can you see Shib in 2025? Tony, let me say this, man. I can see Shiba Inu coin at 100 points per coin, meaning it's going to lose another 90% if we can't figure this regulation out. You know, I'm going to say this, right? There's 33 people in here. I'm sure you guys have differences of opinion on a lot of stuff. Clearly you like cryptocurrency, right? But I'm sure we've got differing opinions on you know, politics, on whatever. Sure, we get differing opinions. These regulators, the SEC, the government, these idiots, these Democrats and Republicans and lefts and rights, they don't even want to agree if somebody's got a good idea. And knowing that the XRP and Ripple lawsuit has taken so long, I truly don't think that this Binance lawsuit is going to be over by 2025. In fact, I see the SEC suing Binance. I see the SEC suing Gemini. I see the SEC suing Coinbase. I see the SEC suing Crypto.com. I see the SEC acting like such a tyrannical 2-year-old that they either make or break the cryptocurrency market. They are either going to own it or we will not be allowed to own it. If that's the case, Shiba Inu coin and all other cryptos are going to be down. Now, if things finally start to turn around and a little light is shed on all of the regulation, if Ripple wins their lawsuit, if the judge decides, like any logical person, the SEC is acting pretty dumb, then you know, we get a couple guidelines, some don't do this and some please do this if you're in the cryptocurrency space. If we just have a little bit of clarity, man, and a little bit of rules and a little bit of regulation and a little bit of meaning coming back into the space, dude, we could have another bull market by 2025 and Shiba Inu coin could be testing new all-time highs. I don't see it happening, though, if the SEC continues to act stupid. Please send your full paycheck and use your credit card. Don't throw it into crypto scams. Listen to Honest Gary. He knows better. Yes, man. Gary is a good guy. Need to invest in Preparation X Cool Gel. Thinking ahead. There you go. That's good stuff. We got it, John J. Donnell! Good afternoon, Donnell. I'm a Costco member. Buy in bulk, baby. That's the way to do it, John J. Donnell, hope you heal up fast. Man, what's going on with Donnell? Donnell, you not feeling good? How do you do, y'all? Here, listening and recovering from my second eye procedure. Hope everyone is doing well. And don't forget to click that likey. Close your eyes and listen. You don't even have to watch, Donnell. Yes, hopefully everything is going great for you and you're having a great day. Let's see. Jay, what you smoking? I want some. Kombu, he's on the Keep Clay Bros channel monetized because as mad as Clay gets, if he just reads these government not worshiping, but these government lifting chats, YouTube will think that everything is good, everything is great. Moji! Thank you for the green name. Do we have any gray names in the chat? Sean's gray. Logs, becoming a member. I love it. Logs, if you're in here right now, please say thank you to Moji. Even if you're not Logs, please say thank you to Moji for throwing that green name out there. Moji, absolutely appreciate it, man. Another green name in the chat. Now that's what I'm talking about. Here's my opinion. Politicians are tyrannical sludge. Appointed bureaucrats are lower than the bootlickers that appointed them. Yeah, Tim, man, and I don't think that YouTube is going to be happy with me reading that, but it's very weird, man. It's very weird. I think that the power must blind people or something, and they begin to forget, number one, why they're there in the first place. Let's assume the best and assume that these people begin their journey because they really do want to make a difference. Whether it's they want to make a difference for the worse, okay, and in their agendas are contrary to ours, or they want to make a difference for the better, and their agendas are aligned with ours, because obviously if, somebody's against you, they might think that they're right, but it's for the worse. So they may start out with good intentions and honest hearts and so on, but somewhere along the way, I don't know where it is, somewhere along the way, that just allure of power, it consumes them, and it becomes something much more than that. So I do agree with you. I think that these people who are in power, no matter what level of government, these people who are in power and have a sense of authority, they allow it to go to their heads, and now they're the ones who are right, and you are wrong. You do as they say, or you are incorrect, even if they go against the wishes of the masses or go against the wishes of the people. I want to drink a Bud Light while I'm driving my new Ford Target. Dark Bro. There we go. That's good stuff, right? I do like Ford, though. I don't even know what Ford did, man. Did Ford do something bad? Because I didn't see it if they did. Clay said, regulators sound off. It was clear blink. It was a clear black night. Mr. Warren G just hit the east side of the LBC. Oh, man. It seems like Zen could be the next Hex. It's been mentioned by a couple of influencers. Yeah, K-Pax, it very well could be, man. Unfortunately, I don't know. I don't know the extent of much about it. I've seen a lot of guys come in here and talk about Zen as well. So, you could absolutely be right. Anything with a $16 million market cap has the potential to 10x relatively simply in the crypto space. Let's put it that way, man. Moving from a 16 million to a 100 million or 150 million dollar market cap it's not really, I want to say hard to do, but there's a lot of money that can flow into these smaller cryptos very fast, and that could definitely cause a 5 to 10x increase quickly. Thank you, Clay. I'm doing pretty good. Don't know. Very nice to hear. You heathen. Me or somebody else? Dark Bro, maybe. Dark Bro, let him speak his mind. I would love to hear his argument. Maybe. Gosh, man, I know I missed some. Cool. I'll wait for the roast. Gosh, who's roast? Me or somebody else? Because I know I missed something. Power corrupts. Absolute. Checked power corrupts absolutely. Yeah, Tim. It does, man. And, I would never want that to happen to me. It's very strange, and that's kind of where they get the idea of these villains when it comes to superheroes, man. Well, what is that saying? If you stay a superhero long enough to see yourself become a villain or something? I don't know what that saying is. I forget it right now, and I don't want to make myself look dumb trying to think of it. But you guys know what I'm talking about, right? You either die a hero or live long enough to see yourself become the villain or something like that. Isn't that how it goes? I think that's how it goes. Looking like XRP is going to win K-Pax. At the moment, okay, I do feel optimistic about XRP winning that lawsuit. However, I'm starting to doubt myself today with the SEC filing suit against Binance. I don't see how the SEC would stand a chance against Binance. pending a loss against XRP and Ripple. So I am very confused as to whether or not XRP and Ripple are going to win because of what the SEC did with Binance today. Unchecked, yes, absolute unchecked power corrupts absolutely. No, I got you, Tim. I knew what you meant, man. J-Bones, making burritos. Let's get it. Claybro is a lyrical genius. He had all the bars, spitting raps like, ooh, stop, collaborate, and listen. John Jay's in the kitchen. John Jay, are you in the kitchen right now, or are you just in your house? Here's somebody calling 911 when he smells gas, Dark. Yes, he would be. Burritos! I like it. Dougie Doo, West Palm Beach, man. What's going on, Dougie Doo? Hello, Clay. Hello to you, Dougie Moji. J-Bones for mini golf. We got Jones going mini golfing. I cannot remember the last time I went putt-putt golfing, but I do have fun putt-putting. Why? Chad. Why what? I don't even know what's going on anymore. If you live long enough, you will see everything you created and cherished be destroyed. Dang it, Tim. Now that sounds absolutely horrible, man. I guess it's true. If you live forever, you see everything you love. Kind of fall apart there, but dang it. Tim brings out the worst in me. Somebody bring out the best. Yes, let's get it. Pocket, let's do it. A keeper means pika backwards. Guys, man, I can't believe. At least we're bouncing off these levels of support, right? Bitcoin sitting right here, 25,600. It's unable to fall back down through 25,000. Obviously maintaining a little bit of technical security here. Shiba Inu coin does have me nervous because 800 was my major level of support. Touching 774, I think the lowest that we've touched on Shiba was 713. Okay, if 713 gets compromised, I am hard pressed to believe that Shiba is going to be doing pretty well. But the fact that this litigation is not going to be resolved overnight, I am now bearish once again in the short term. I was bullish a minute ago, but I don't know about now. Danelle! Thank you very much for the super chat. Danelle says, Clay, bro, made me feel a little bit better. Give me one of them kitties. I got you. Thank you very much, Danelle, for the little black cat. You guys, I challenge anybody to make a better cat noise than that. You can't do it. It can't be done. Danelle, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate you guys' generosity, man. And the fact that you love to see me act like a cat, a unicorn, a turkey, and so on. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. Shiba Inu hit the flow. Next thing you know, Shiba got low. Yeah, Shiba Inu coin's price is low right now. So low, it's checking its apple bottom fur boots, man. I want to watch you keep one putt and the bones 3 putt. Yeah, hole-in-ones are not very easy, even in putt-putt, guys. They're not. I just know it. Clay is going to kill this one. Did I do it? John Jay, did I get it? Did I do it? Let me know. All the 3 putts yesterday. Dude, even if you're 3-putting at putt-putt, you're still killing it, man. 3 putts are great. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. Tim, member chat, giving that green name out there, and Grizzo grabbing the green name. I have not seen Grizzo, but Grizzo used to be active in here. I've not seen Grizzo's name in a very long time, so I'm actually happy that Grizzo got that green name. Maybe he'll come back to the chat. Tim, thank you very much for that. And Chad, dude, Chad, I don't know where you're from, man. But you gotta click Tim's member chat there, enable your gift receiving, and then when when somebody else sends another green name, it's most likely gonna go to you, dude, because you and Sean are the only gray names in here right now. Bringing out the best meow in you. Danelle, you know it was a good meow. I felt like it was a good meow. Rip Shib, Lunk alive. Akeep, I listened to your cover song on YouTube. It was beautiful and made me cry. dang, man, now I want to listen to it. What the heck? I don't want to cry, but I want to listen to it if it was beautiful. Chad, you got something you want to say? Yes. Come on, Chad. Get your putt-putt game up next. Dude, no way you guys are 3-putting every hole on putt-putt. Come on, man. We got some decent putt-putt courses around here. Like, better than putt-putt courses in Myrtle Beach. And they put a lot of putt-putt courses down there to hit all these people that are tourists and stuff. But we got some decent ones. And you can't 3-putt these courses, man. You cannot 3-putt these courses. There's one. Dude, you literally have to just launch it, like, across the... Dude, it's probably, like... I don't know. I'd probably say it's like 25 yards, man. You got to launch this putt just over the grass. Ramp it off this thing and just rip it like 25 yards. And it's like it's pretty cool. But yeah, you guys can't 3-putt that course. There's no way. Where we going? Don't do it, Clay. It's going to make me cry. It hits too close to home. What the heck, man? Well, we're not going to listen to it right now then, but I don't want to cry. Chat says, yes. Some Megler Mickey, what's going on? Hey, bro, how you doing? I've had 3 holes in 1 so far. Aiden, actually golfing? Dude, I don't think I've ever hit better than like an 8 on a single hole. I don't think I've ever hit better than 8 on a single hole. Whoa! Ace Soul Dragon. Is that over on... Where is that? Not following. Is that Twitch? Yes! We get another follower on Twitch. Does that make 18? Yo, Ace Soul Dragon. Are you somebody from YouTube or are you directly from Twitch? Because... Thank you very much for following. I typically do not have anybody in the Twitch chat, so if you're watching right now, appreciate it. If you want to jump over to YouTube, we got a lot of people over here. But yeah, I did not expect to see anybody from Twitch, so thank you very much for following right now. Come on. Hey, bro, loving your opinion on Lunk. All the way from South Africa. Chris, glad to have you in here all the way from South Africa. And appreciate that, man. Even if we had differing opinions, it's all right because, look, I was a lot more bullish yesterday on Terra Luna Classic. I'm kind of bearish on the cryptocurrency market today because of the SEC's nonsense and everything that they've got going on with Binance right now. We're going to buy Terra Lunk. Put me on, bro. If you want to buy Terra Luna Classic, you can, and you want a centralized exchange, you can still get it on Binance International, or if you're in the US and you want to use KuCoin, KuCoin technically doesn't have all of the licenses to act as a centralized exchange in the US, but you can still deposit cryptocurrency on their platform and trade. You cannot link a bank account if you're in the US to KuCoin, but you can deposit your cryptocurrency, swap your cryptocurrency for whatever crypto they have listed, and then take it back off that exchange if you would like. So if you want to get Ripple, if you want to get Terra Luna Classic, if you want to get some of these coins that are not listed on US exchanges, you can do it that way, man. You can buy, I was going to say BNB and swap it over. Can't do that anymore. You can go on Coinbase, you can buy some Ethereum, which Ethereum is kind of expensive to move, which would be nice if you could go do BNB today. It's cheaper. Take your BNB, move it over to KuCoin, and then swap it for Ripple, or XRP, swap it for Terra Luna Classic, whatever you want to swap for, and then either leave it on KuCoin or pull it off that exchange if you'd like. A wife kicked my butt on Tiger Woods' pop stroke, whatever that is. Has like 6 hole-in-ones. Is that a putt-putt course? My gosh, dude. Noble, there's one putt-putt course that's close by my house that's got like 12-foot fiberglass elephant. I'm trying to get that in my yard. Tim, dude, if they go down, man, make sure you buy that and put that in your yard, and that would be sweet. I got a hole-in-2 on putt-putt. Nice! Pika! A hole-in-2 is the way to go. 8 and I have 3 as well. I got 0, man. I've played golf like 4 times in my life, and I am beyond horrible. I'm really not exaggerating when it would take me like 8 strokes to to get it in the hole. So it's bad. Chad, repeat what you said about me. I'm the wrong guy to roll up on. I don't know if anybody's rolling up on you, Tim. At least I hope not. The 8-ball read lunk to 10 cents. Capex, is Terra Luna Classic one day, any day, ever going to make it back to 10 cents? Hey, the outlook's good, dude. It says the outlook is good. Well, that's not bad. It doesn't say when. I mean, that could be 10 years from now. But 8-ball says that one day, sometime, Terra Luna Classic is going to go back to 10 cents. I don't know when that is, though. A keepa. I like it, Kombu. There you go, man. If you need exchange to withdraw funds, does it really make sense to keep your crypto on cold storage? Stupid question, but I'm new to crypto. So, in a sense, yes. All right? Let me go through this really quick. If you need an exchange to withdraw your funds, you don't need the exchange to hold your funds. So if you plan on withdrawing at any time, whether that be tomorrow or whether that be in 10 years from now, you will need a centralized exchange to do so. You know, unfortunately or fortunately, however you want to look at it, because of money laundering concerns, because of drug dealers, because of all of this illicit activity, they do want to know who's transacting in U.S. dollars. And I may or may not agree with every aspect of it, but hey, what is Caesar? Give to Caesar what is Caesar's, right? And the U.S. dollar belongs to the United States. So if they want to know who's transacting in it, I guess okay, they can know who's transacting in it. And if you want to turn your money, if you want to turn your crypto back into U.S. dollars, you do need an exchange. Now, holding on that exchange, is this kind of the same? You run the risks that are associated with that exchange. If they are stupid, if they're acting like FTX and they're loaning your money out, they can go bankrupt. Voyager, look at Voyager. I'm only going to get 30% of my money back from Voyager. That is insanity, man. I'm mad about that, but I'm glad I'm getting something back instead of nothing. So you run the risk of that exchange doing something illicit and going bankrupt. The same way that you can hold your money in a bank, and I'll imagine if banks weren't federally insured up to $250,000, if there was no insurance on bank accounts. You know, Silverbank collapses, you got these banks. They could go out there, and because there's zero repercussions, they can waste your money, they can lose your money, and you don't get it back. That's the risk you run by holding on the crypto exchange. If you hold in a cold storage or DeFi wallet, that is blockchain technology there. And you don't run the risk of the exchange going down. You run the risk of the blockchain failing. Now, the only way that the blockchain is going to fail is if, all of the internet goes down, if everybody loses electricity, basically an Armageddon situation or like an end of the world type of war. And let's be honest with each other. I mean, dude, if you lose your cryptocurrency on the blockchain because of the end of the world, I don't think any of us actually care about money at that point. Let's see. Who is that? FOOIB. I don't know. If you are new to crypto, there's no silly questions. Facts, dude, because crypto is not easy to understand. I mean, it's really not. I can explain crypto to my grandpa every time I see him, but he still won't understand it. Moji! I don't know if this is for you or if this is for John Jay or who, but a little... Where's mine? Hold on. I gotta see. I gotta make sure I'm... Yeah, here you go. Moji, thank you very much for Clay Bros Peach. Absolutely appreciate that, man. And I don't know if that was for you or for somebody else, but hopefully they liked it as well. IFOIB, BioFi, or are we going correct order? IFOIB, because I have no idea. I love the SEC. D's. Me too, man. Me too. We all love the SEC. Peachless D's. Oh, man, we got D's in here. Yes, he's got it. FOIB. School. Oh, my gosh. We're going... Oh, jeez. Strong looks. I have no idea what's going on right now, if this is backwards or what. Oh, the government required KYC when you use cash. I'll buy a soda. KYC, buy a coffee. KYC, give a $10 bill to your son. KYC. Yes. Chad, I agree, man. And if we go down the direction of CBDCs, man, central bank digital currencies, they will require a KYC every time you give a $10 bill to your kid. Every time you go out and buy anything in cash, cash will be no more. Every single transfer of money, every single transaction will be issued and authorized by the central bank here in the United States if that's the direction we go. And they'll even tax that transaction if they want, man. $10 gift to your kid on his birthday. A tooth fairy comes and leaves the kid $5. All of a sudden, shoot! Tooth fairy gave him $5. But Uncle Sam takes 50 cents. Better watch out for that, man. Biometric Financial. Gotcha. A keep. Somebody finally glad helping me. Thank you. Let's see. Heck of a day, Mark. It's been a crazy day so far, man. Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Tim, we got that unicorn coming in. Ooh, this is a good one. I can look at that unicorn horn. Thank you very much, Tim. Appreciate the King Unicorn, man. Loving it right now. You guys are the best with super stickers ever. Nice peach. Thank you very much, Danelle. I think she was telling Moji, nice peach, not my peach. Clear, bro. We're at YFII. Let's take a look at it. What is this? DeFi Finance? Where is YFII? We haven't looked at this coin in a very long time. DeFi money, ladies and gentlemen. Where is DeFi money? Ooh, getting ripped today on the SEC news, man. DeFi money dropping from $880 today down to $700. Cryptocurrency is not having a good day because of the SEC. This is very interesting to see a DeFi dollar get ripped like this. Man, that's a tough hit there. CZ Binance. I hope this dude comes out victorious, man. I hope he does. Go SEC! Go Gary! Go, go, go! Do your best, Gensler. Sama got what? I don't even know what that means right there. But yes, we love Gary Gensler. Gary Gensler is the best. YouTube, please transcribe that and give me more viewers because I fit your agenda, right? Your little robot doesn't know that translates these or transcribes these videos. Doesn't sense sarcasm, so congratulations. Sorry, dyslexia. It's all right. Well, it's tough with the keep and all of that stuff. It works for you. It doesn't always work for me. Did we check? Oh, God. Did we check farming? No, we didn't. We're going to check it in a second. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. Glad to have you in here, man. How you doing? Let's see. We got a wrong button. This is the one we want. What do we got? A gain today. We back up to $1. Where are we at here? 44 cents. Down 1.77% on the day. Nothing but down on this graph. Going down, down. We're going down, down. We're going down, down. And the crazy thing is, man, this stock hasn't even seen any bounces on the weekly chart in a very long time. I mean, look at this here. 2020 was actually nice, going from 13 to $50, and then boom, you are getting ripped. And look at the volume, too. Nobody wants to buy for me anymore. Obvious. With that kind of volume, nobody wants it. So, yes, Tim. Now, we did check farming. 44 cents. 40 cents or 38 cents. That low that you guys have there. It is a pretty decent level of support, but I would not buy it ever bouncing off any level of support. I would not buy farming unless it was... unless it was to overtake the company and put them out of business. That's the only way I'd do so. What about Loop Network? Dark Bro, let's check it out. Nick F. Hello. There you go. Danelle, Nick F, Danelle. Who knows if Nick F is even still in here? Little Jones in my package on the way. Moji, actually, it's not on the way yet, man. Your package is already packaged up and in my car. I can actually... If I go to pick up the stuff, if Tim sends me some stuff, I could pick it up. But J-Bones is not packaged up yet. Yours is. His is not. Let me loop. Loop Network is what I was going to look at here for Dark Bro. Loop right here. Loop Network, the red. Ooh, Loop Network getting hit hard as well. Down 10, 11% on the day today. 7 cents on Loop Network. Back down from these 25-cent highs. Dude, with this SEC nonsense, man, I don't see why you couldn't get Loop Network again for 0.2 of a cent, man. I really don't. I really think that we're going to be hitting some decent lows if the SEC continues on the same path that it's on right now. Because, I mean, think about this with me. There's no reason Crypto.com is not next. There's no, unless Crypto.com is bribing the SEC, or unless Crypto.com is, I don't know, somebody, the SEC's kid works at Crypto.com. Crypto.com is going to be next. Coinbase is already getting sued, yes. What is going to, unless Ripple wins their lawsuit and the SEC gets put back in their place. Hey, that was not authorized hydration. You know, Ray, I thought about that when I took that hydration there, and nobody else gives me authorized hydration except for Pat. And Pat is apparently no longer in the live streams. I do wish Pat would come back, but it's very difficult to go an entire live stream with no hydration. So I was wondering if I should wait for authorized hydration or if I should hydrate, because I miss Pat, man. I do. And Pat, if you're out there listening, just know that I myself miss you, and I believe other people miss you as well. But if not, hey, man, I miss you, and we want you back, dude. But don't come back until your job allows you to come back, man. Having an issue with the butcher. Put the packing date as the use-by date, and the USDA inspector label. Dude. First of all, Tim, man, I don't even care if you send me a grocery bag full of bacon, dude. I don't care about no dates on it. What the heck, man? I'm just gonna open it and eat it. Don't care about no dates. This little butcher. Come on, butcher, get it together. Put the packing date as the use-by date. Gotcha. That would be annoying, dude. That would be annoying. What's the difference? I mean, I know there's a difference in it, but what's the time frame difference? If they package it today, how long do they claim the use or freeze by date is? How long do they give you to use it once it's packaged, Tim? What's that look like? A week? 2 weeks? 10 weeks? Well, I don't know the difference between the two dates there. Where are we at here? Clear up, Pat authorized me to permanently authorize your hydration until he returns. Well, did I get any authorized hydration? Kombu, did I get one? I think I got one. Oh, man. Doesn't hit the same without Pat, but it still feels good. Let's see. It's going to cost me about $17,000 because they hired an Amish kid. Oh, my God, dude. Dude, that's a lot of money, man. They just can't be messing around with, and this kid messes up the dates. How are they not going to eat that cost if it was their problem that they messed up? How are they not going to eat that cost? Of course they'd have to eat that cost. That's just, it's their mistake, man. If you're the one making the mistake, you eat the cost of that mistake. My bank account is empty right now, though. Kumu, it's all right, man. Say the word, not get to hydrate, I guess. Yeah, Tim's got me. Tim's got me thinking now that these guys are over there pulling scams if they're not even covering the cost of their mistake. A little weird. A little bit of a recap, guys, before we end the day today. We got a couple minutes left in the stream, but we've got no action whatsoever going on AMC. Literally sitting here in a 1 cent range all afternoon, barcoding between 462 and 461. I mean, that's just terrible action. 5 shares being traded, 10 shares. You guys remember when the after-hours action used to be insane on AMC. Shiba Inu coin, okay? We've had some crazy volatility today, especially to the downside, but over the last hour or so, it has been very stagnant and just treading water right at this near 800 point per coin mark. This level of resistance we've got on the screen. GameStop sitting at 24.31 at the close, 24.41 after hours. Basically no action whatsoever here. Bitcoin, it does have better volume than Shiba Inu coin, but it's still been very stagnant over the last hour that we've been doing this live stream. NASDAQ finished the day at break even, so not much going on there. I am concerned about Dogecoin the same way that I'm concerned about Shib. Okay, if you look at Dogecoin, it is testing a crucial level of support at 6 cents. Shiba Inu coin testing that crucial level of support at about 800 points per coin. So we do have to watch out for this, man, because these levels, if broken, I really don't. I mean, Dogecoin could be back at 4 cents. It could be back at 1 cent. Shiba Inu coin sitting here at 700-800 points. If it breaks this, I don't know if it's going to hold up at 5. It's only wicked down to 500 points per coin one day. And I don't know if that level is going to be strong enough to hold it if this SEC crap continues on. So Bitcoin, main factor, 25,000. We're going to keep our eyes on that. Mullen Auto down after hours to 69 cents. Sundial basically break even after hours. Doing nothing there. After hours action, very stagnant today, guys. And just sideways all afternoon here in everything on the watch list. Even Tesla sitting sideways, 0.09% higher. No action in Innovix after hours. PID sitting sideways, no after hours trades there. And even Joby sitting at only 0.5% higher after a nice gain on the day today. For Joby, it's been a very, very stagnant afternoon. Buy canned food and water and vitamins. Pudgy, not a bad idea, man. Prep up. Let's see. Cover the costs. That's like a politician saying, sue me. They really should, man. If it's their mistake, Tim, they should cover the cost, dude. ML. Ooh, what do we got here? I don't even know what this is, man. We got an upcoming IPO or something? ML. You got me on this, dude. $11.26? Way back when? I don't know if I'm looking at the right thing on ML there. Sorry if I was not. All the losses in my portfolio look amazing. Keep up the good work, Gary. D's, I agree with you. Everybody loves the losses. Can we get some good news on how's the raccoon and chipmunks doing? Matt, the raccoon is actually doing great. I thought I was a little scared, not scared, but a little sad last night. I thought he might not come visit because he usually comes around 9:30. And last night at about 10:30, 10:40, he showed up. So I fed him some popcorn last night, and I let him smell my hand, okay? I really want this guy to be my friend. I'm taking it slow because raccoons are scared and unpredictable. So I let him smell my hand. I did not hand feed him anything last night, but I let him eat some popcorn. So he was doing good last night. The chipmunks, dude. Chipmunks are excellent. Chip bro, loving life. Little tail, loving, both little tails, loving life. And there's another little one. I have not named him yet, okay? I've got 7 chipmunks out there right now. I haven't given them all names, but it is kind of sad, too, if you give them all names, because I can almost guarantee 1 or 2 of them don't make it, man. I can almost guarantee this stupid stray cat might get one of them. They got one of them last year. But there's one that he ate out of my hand yesterday. He ate out of my hand a couple times again today. I haven't named him yet, dude, but I'm probably gonna have to. If he continues to come eat out of my hand, I'm probably gonna have to name him. So chipmunks are doing good. We got 3 that are currently eating out of my hand, but a little tail, the second little tail, she will not eat out of my hand, man. She will not do it. She comes very close, but doesn't do it. But a 90-day supply of lettuce. I don't know if that's true or if you're talking about the devil's lettuce or what. Money Lion. I missed it. Money Lion a crypto or is it a stock? Where are we going here? Give him a bowl of water. Oh, they got bowl. Yeah, they've all got bowls of water. They all have bowls of water. The chipmunk or they've got a little bowl to drink out of. They got a big bowl that they can get into. They got all that stuff. Disconnect your batteries on your vehicles at night. Really? All of them? Guys, it's past 5 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back tonight. Moneyline. I don't know what that other one was, man. I don't know what that other one was. Moneyline sitting at $11.26 today, up 2.83%. Not bad for Moneyline. After hours, it is up 1.33%. Dang, man, had a nice rally a couple days ago on May 8th to $22 per share. Seems to be double bottoming in this $8, $9 range. So Moneyline not doing too bad. This was not on my radar. Glad that it is right now, though, because the graph doesn't look too bad if it starts to curl back up here, especially if it breaks through this resistance at 12. You could be on your way back up to that $20 mark. Let's see here. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back tonight with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. The Terrell Classic videos over the last day got a lot of views. Appreciate you guys for that one. Everything else, man, it's down. Watch it twice. Put it on a playlist. Appreciate all the support you guys got. Share the videos on your Facebooks, whatever you got to do, man. You have no idea how much just sharing somebody's video can literally change their life and add subscribers, add viewers, and so on. So you guys, it's all in your hands. I do what I can, but it can't compare to everything that the 45 of you guys can do. So that is why I am so appreciative of everything that you guys do. Even if it's not a super chat, a simple contribution of sharing the video somewhere makes a huge difference. Budgie, man, shout out to you. Enjoy your evening. Moji, enjoy your day. Dark Bro, we got Dark Bro. Danelle, enjoy it. Tim, you won the raccoon to love you. Pork rinds, don't ask me how I know. I have to get some pork rinds, dude. He seems to really like popcorn, but I'll have to try some of those pork rinds. J Bones, peace out of the diamond-handed sign burritos. Tim, see you later, man. Danelle, enjoy your evening. Con Postal, name, I like it. Kumu, Aiden, better days ahead, guys. I like it. Aiden Woodgate, see you later, man. Moji, Chad, wake me up in 2024. I will. Ray De Silva, have a good evening as well, man. Steve, hey, see you later. Mark, peace out, man. DD214, later to you. Laurel, Jack, see you later. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. I love it, Crypto Rocketeer. See you later, Tim. Each and every one of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.